Hello, precious one. I've come your way again, and this time around with a super power pack that I'm bringing your way. We are going to have a 3 days free introduction to the R software. Do you want to unlock the power of data with the R software? If yes is your response, then you are to join us for a hands-on, beginner-friendly online class that is designed purposely to introduce you to the world of the R programming. What a good news it is. Why should one join? You are to join. For in joining, you are going to learn the basics of R for data analysis and visualization. Again, you don't need to have any prior coding experience. It's not a prerequisite, it's not a requirement. Just come as naive as you are, and you are going to be what? In tune to the programming language. You don't need any prior coding experience. Come and interact with what sessions with practical examples. And I am glad to be your very host. I'm glad to be your very facilitator. This is going to be a wonderful program. You don't want to miss it. It is a 3 days free introduction to the R software. Come and be impacted. Come and experience the world of what data analysis